Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Yes, I'm here again, man, to my people. Manners and respect to each and every one. You know, sir, sometimes me see some people do some things that make me feel wonder what some people I think. I mean, I'm disrespectful, but some things some people do. It raises my concerns. Listen, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show one motor vehicle with something attached to that motor vehicle. And what was attached to that motor vehicle was also attached to a type of truck. Now, the size motor vehicle that we see in front of the truck would whatsoever attached to it and also attached to the truck. Have me thinking. See? Because what we see in the video have me wondering and thinking about the possibility of a motor vehicle that small using something to pull a truck that big and a type of truck like that as well. My people, look at this video for yourself, because when we see another video, it don't look safe. Viewer discretion's advice for this video. Observe with me.
Yeah, my boy.
Look there, just look. Look there. Look on the side straight.
Boy, only in the Bahamas, boy.
Boy, never, boy. Boy, you on the spot, boy. Boy, you on the spot.
Then did I move to the motor vehicles? Then I move, but me I wonder. The two motor vehicles them I move, but me I wonder. See, oh, some things you have to just laugh sometimes, but I really do. I don't think that's safe, all right? But you let me know what you think, all right? So I saw pieces of videos that shows some things that happened when a person who was wearing a type of mask was somehow able to go inside of a building or a structure. I think I would more say structure, but me just have to say structure or building. Anyway, the point is, the way all the person got inside of that place, it makes me wonder if those pieces of videos are about a real situation or not. Because some things when I see happen, me I feel say, OMG. And me I feel wonder. You see me I say? So it seems as if there was some type of opening from the top of the wall to underneath the roof of the building. And it's like the person just got through whatsoever opening there so and got inside of that place there. And certain things, well, yes, overall certain things happen, my people. What would you call a situation like this? Believe me, look at these pieces of videos and tell me what you think. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe. Look at the purse. Look there. Hold on, let me show you next one. See? Watch it. Look there. Huh? I tell you, my people, yeah, hear me. The nice we make in this Harlem thing that now, sir. My people, let me tell you something. You have overall, I wonder if those pieces of videos are about a serious situation or not. You know what I mean? More than those pieces of videos are about a real situation or not, because that just look weird to me. You see me? I say. Now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when police from within the country of Jamaica held on to a person. Well, that's the understanding that I got from the video, you know, which is not really a long video, but, you know, we get some from I understand from the video. But in the video, me hear when a person basically say certain words, I think, my people, just take a look at this video, tell me what you think about the situation, you know. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Alright. Word is win. Word is win. The only thing me say, boy. Kaya this me up, man, nobody. This me up, brother. This me up, brother.
Now, I am going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and in this video, a person who is said to be a prison inmate said some words that gave me the understanding that he said or pointed out that the building a crumble. My people, I know that you have persons in prison who did some bad things. However, listen to some words that have been said in this video and tell me what you think. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Anybody put themselves there, we have to move up here. You understand? Coming on, stuff like this. Amen. Make this shut down for me and kill me. This someone up. All I want is to come on the country rice when you can't come. When I have good. And tobacco and ganja to smoke on alright. And the father come like son, I forgot, but woman out the road and a family. We now live on them conditioner. There is no basic structural foundation for rehabilitation nowhere. This is that dumb. When you them have a dead off. You understand? See them? Until it's one world see, one international human rights, declaration of human rights, see, one UN see.
Yeah, man, get your
roof now come from.
Get your roof.
Get
your roof. Get your roof.
Come from. See, we have a dead off, the building a crumble. Don't have a prison, it's not dumb. You understand? And the Prime Minister hide it. From when? From October 30 last year, earthquake shape. And shift the prison, was managed to and jail pay. We know you're nobody that can't not about way. Now we like, now important, we don't follow by those dirty prisoner. See? You want the real see what I want, the root never come from. See that? Jai Stone is on the parole board, and he must not be on the parole board because he was a war just and have indicted feelings against prisoner. Over 10 months now, he's about 2 life sentence and get parole. We need cut sentence, we need parole. Some man they have 30 years, 40 years, at times you don't send them more. Some they have for 2 years and 6 months. Some get 6 months. Stop sending them to prison for 6 months. And everything there. You understand? All the money you want to do is a thief. You're not in prison, not in prison. You don't have a prison, this is not dumb. So it's like our life dumb. We need parole and we need good sentence.
Yeah, I understand what the person I say. You see, man, say, I understand what that person there say. You know, set away. You set away, my people. You know, John, let me tell you something, you know, no matter what still, you know, I respect all life, you know. Yeah, man, I respect all life, you know. My people, listen to some words that someone said in the next video I'm going to present to you. You know, this person that I can hear, well, at least one person can hear talking in the video is said to be a prison inmate. Basically saying some words. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Yeah, this is a rehabilitation, domino. That's how we play domino. Them say a lot of things undertake now the prison. See? And look here. We have your bridge light. See there? We have your bridge light at the live and the crowns is step on the grill. You know much time inmate being electrocuted and got killed, but them not talk it over the news. See there? We have your bridge light and we're in a maximum security prison, and them says an Irish prison, and we have your bridge light. Every inmate have your bridge light. None of we know no lighting in our cell with the government bill, and them say it's a sentence block. See there? All of we are bridge light. Be a bridge light. Be a bridge light. See there? The circuit them burn out. All of the circuit them, we have to just a bridge light. This is how them set it, you understand? And then talk about, and I try counteract Ninja Man better. I talk about things already been undertaken. The undertaken go on when the undertaker come here and carry you go on North Street. You hear that? And a man funeral parlor there on North Street here. See rehabilitation here. Domino. This is our reform. And this them are used for better demand them. You understand? At this demand then learn to do play domino, so when them are left here, so them is a better person. See them?
OMG. My people. He said away. Me hear persons who experience them place the talk and basically appoint us at them the place they're not better rose. And you see them the videos there for yourself, my people. OMG. You hear the words they will say. Bridge light and all. No, sir. My people, so me just present those videos to you to bring an awareness to some words that persons who are said to be inmates or prison inmates said. I don't know exactly where, but basically that's the understanding. See? Boy. I think here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. Big up and respect each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?